All right. We're the Big Art Project Assembly, as it says right there. All right. This is just an overview of all the stuff that we did. If it doesn't make sense to you now, it will most likely be explained. Here's the overview of our project, the final project that we did. It's hanging up in a place that I can't remember what it's called.
Sue Ross Art Center. The Sue Ross Art Center. That's where it is.
Yeah, that. Anyway, there it is. It's beautiful. We love it. All right. This is something that we did on the first day when we were going around learning each other's names. We asked if you were a pirate or a ninja. As you can see, we have some lovely Club Penguin imagery right there. And a pirate, if you're a pirate, that just means you just go for it. You just kind of wing it and jump in head first. And then ninjas, you measure twice and cut once, very precise. And we definitely saw our fair share of both pirates and ninjas during our time. All right. And the first activity we did to learn how to use the sewing machines, because we had a variety of skill sets where some people had never even touched a sewing machine before. And we made pin cushions as a very beautiful example right there. And then we further expanded the skill of using a sewing machine when we sewed the art project together. Okay, and this is about how the project engaged the kids in the community, as you saw before with the KAA group. And now we're engaging the community with our project that is being hung up in the Sue Ross Art Center right there. And there's a picture of it, and it's up through December 29th. And that's it. Thank you.